Dear students, today let us continue the 11th lesson, our non-material heritage. In this lesson, today's class, let us discuss about art and craft. Art and craft. As you know that India has a rich tradition of art and craft. Skills such as weaving, painting, sculpture, etc. have been transferred from one generation to another to produce handcrafts, pottery, handlooms, carpets, sculptures, etc. Means in India we are seeing some different types of art and crafts works. Yes or no? Some of the pictures are given here. Let us see about this. See here. This is a metal sculpture and we can see a papaya mache vase. You can see a vase, no, flower vase. Yes or no? See, so much beautifully decorated on this vase and with the colorful. Yes or no? So how the heart is, you can see a heart in this. And here carpet. On the carpet and you can see some of the design on the carpet. And next you can see a cane seat. Cane seat means like a chair. This is like a chair. They can sit on this. So beautifully they have made this. Yes or no? So such kind of this materials we call it as a art. And that is one of the craft also, art and craft. Here it includes even handcrafts. Handcrafts includes furniture and basket made from cane and bamboo. From northeast, papaya mache work, that is handcraft made from paper pulp, and carpets from Kashmir, and metal utensils and sculptures from Moradabad. Means as they given the above pictures, how they are made and from what type of places it is very famous, about that they are given. అంటే ఏ ప్లేసెస్లో ఏ ఆర్ట్ అండ్ క్రాఫ్ట్ వర్క్ ఎక్కడ ఎక్కువ ఫేమస్ ఉంది అనేది దాని గురించి ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశారు. ఇక్కడ ఫర్ కార్పెట్ మీన్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఫేమస్ ఇన్ కాశ్మీర్లో ఎక్కువ చేస్తారనమాట. కార్పెట్ అనేది విత్ డిజైన్స్ అండ్ ఆల్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్, అండ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ మేడ్ అప్ ఆఫ్ వులన్. లైక్ దట్ వీ గెట్ ఎ గుడ్ క్వాలిటీ ఆఫ్ కార్పెట్ ఇన్ Kashmir. So like this different states it is famous with different arts and craft work. Like next we will see about the sarees. Sarees means handloom. The handloom sarees are also popular and show variety in their method of preparation. Even in the sarees also we can see different types of sarees, designs, everything. So their handloom, the most importance they give for the handloom here. The handloom sarees are also popular and show variety in the method of preparation. In the method of preparation also there are varieties are there. Like a Sambalpuri handloom sarees are prepared in Odisha from fabric woven on handloom. Images of flowers and animals are created on the sarees in different patterns. Means in Sambalpuri sarees actually they made in Odisha state lo chestaranamata. So on that sarees we can see different designs of the designs are made up of what animals. దాంట్లో animals ఉంటాయంట, flowers, animals, like that some designs are made on that. Yes sir, no, see here I'm going to show you. So this is called as a Sambalpur saree. You can see the design here. So how it is made here. See here you can see some pictures of animals also and some of the designs of flowers also in this. Flower designs kuda chustam manam. Okay, next is Patola handloom saree from Patan, Gujarat are popular for their bright colors and patterns. Their Patola sarees they are popular for their bright colors. Bright అంటే చాలా డార్క్గా ఉంటాయి కదా, డార్క్ కలర్స్, దానికి చాలా పాపులర్ అనమాట. దట్ టు కాల్ ఇట్ యాస్ ఏ గుజరాత్లో ఎక్కువ ఇలాంటివి వేసుకుంటారు. ఒకసారి చూడండి పిక్చర్ని. యూ కెన్ బై సీయింగ్ దిస్ యూ కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్ వెరీ క్లియర్లీ. ఎస్ సార్, నో, దిస్ యూ కాల్ ఇట్ యాస్ ఏ పటోలా సారీ. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఈస్ బనారస్ సారీ or Banarasi handloom sarees are made from finely woven silk and decorated with gold and silver work. Because of their fine gold and silver work, these sarees are heavy and expensive. See, such type of saree we call it as a Banaras saree and it is very expensive. The saree is made up of fine silk thread and you can see some of the gold work done on this saree. So that is the reason why it is more expensive. And you can see some of the designs also on the sarees as well, which is made up of gold.